Somebody wants. I don't know, nobody wants to take control here.
Because that helps everybody calm down and
Protection.
Clears
their minds. Relaxes us so nobody wants to scalp anybody.
It actually does calm, but it also acts like an insulator, where people who try to provoke, you can actually calm that energy down.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir.
My client, who is a Native American and is a deeply traditional person and practices what most people would consider to be a religion, but to them it's just part of their DNA and their culture. He lives with nature. He walks the way, and now he's being charged with possessing certain animals that are integral to the practice of his freedom of religion. So we're here. We're not going to deny that we didn't possess these animals, but what we are going to deny is that this is anything but a freedom of religion issue. He should be able to pursue this tradition. If this is happening to him, then every other Native American is going to be confronted with the same issue.
In this particular case, the Department of Environmental Conservation did a search warrant, and they went into Mr. Volpe's house and discovered parts of animals and animals themselves that he was not allowed to possess. It's important to prosecute these cases because it's a rule of law issue. There is a permitting process that he did not go through, and therefore there are violations of the law. Yeah, there's a process where someone, if they want to go out and do research or take in certain species, they can go through a permitting process where they can get permission to do so, and in this way it's regulated and the DEC knows what the person's doing and how they're doing it.
The Constitution, both the federally and state Constitution, provides for his right to be able to practice his traditional values. Some people would call it religion. Indians call it just their cultural traditional heritage. But the fact of the matter is that his involvement with these animals is incidental to the DEC's right to enforce these laws. And Indians should be left alone to be able to pursue their values.
I'm here today because John Volpe, I believe, has been wrongly singled out from the work that he's doing based on our culture, our practices, and our belief, which is that we are custodians, or we are protectors of the planet or of the environment. So we're supposed to be stepping in and helping or assisting where we see animals or the environment having problems or having trouble. And this is a perfect case where John Volpe has been doing these studies, this work, based on our culture and our birthright as being Native people, that it's our responsibility to help educate other people and see that it's all of our responsibility to help this environment and be mindful that that other life that's out there, and it doesn't matter if it's plant life or insects or animal, we all see those things as they're part of a great system that has been supporting our existence, and we need to learn how to work with it and stop being destructive to it, because this creation was put here and is here for our benefit. And we don't own those resources, but we are gifted them and allowed to use that and share this information. And that's why I'm here today, is to assist my friend John and make sure that he's not only getting the proper representation, but we get our message or what we're representing out to the people, so that they understand that we're not here trying to convert anyone to any kind of a belief system. We're trying to do our own practice and our own walk, or what they say, follow our path. And we seem to be getting these interruptions. We seem to be getting disturbed or disrupted by a system that claims to be doing good, but we see it doing more harm than good.